Hey guys, it's me Janice. I was going through my old journals today and one particular post screamed itself out to me. It dates back to around 1.5 years when I'd broken my leg. I had broken it so bad that I had to take a 4 months bed rest. During that time, one of the days after taking my bath, I was applying lotion all over my body. What I realized then was I was applying it to all the parts of my body very well with so much of love and care, except for the one right broken leg. I realized I was doing that because it was a delicate part of me. It needed, I was afraid that it would pain as I would touch it, and that fear led me to ignore it. Or as soon as I would reach the part, the right leg, I would just quickly, put lotion with that fear that it is a delicate part and it's going to hurt me. Although it needed the most attention and care from me at that particular time in life. So it got me thinking that these little things that we do are not merely coincidences. They show a bigger pattern in us. I realized what I was doing is I was ignoring the part that needed the most care, the most attention, the most love in me for the other good parts, because this part was a dreadful part. That part could hurt me. There was fear that it's a delicate, vulnerable part. So today, I want to ask you, how often do you ignore parts of you that need healing? The most delicate, vulnerable parts of you are the ones that we ignore the most, are the ones that need our extra care and attention. Things like unresolved issues from your past trauma, a difficult childhood, unresolved issues with someone you love, anger issues, low self-esteem, low self-confidence, constant need of validation, loneliness. Things like that are the vulnerable parts. So I urge you all that let today mark a day of celebration of healing of our vulnerable parts, the parts that actually really deserve the love, all of our love. So let's not ignore them today. So, are you going to love the parts of you that really need and deserve your love, attention, and care right now? Or are you going to ignore them for some point later in your life?